Are the vegetables you eat alive? Are the cells of a giraffe bigger than the cells of an ant? How can a little strand of hair help to convict someone? Can we bring back dinosaurs by cloning? How safe are genetically modified crops? What are the ethical and moral implications of new genetic technologies? How do scientists estimate the number of species present on Earth? Does evolution still affect the human race? How is life interconnected, and how are humans impacting the natural world? What can we do to save the planet? If you want answers to these questions, then let us take you on a journey of the natural world from the lens of a biologist. This course will provide learners with an integrated view of biology. Instead of teaching biology traditionally as separate disciplines like botany, zoology, or microbiology, we aim to teach biological systems with a holistic approach. With this course, you will learn the fundamental concepts of biology. Each week, we will introduce you to a different biological concept along with case-based studies rooted in the Indian context for a deeper understanding. With this course, you will learn analytical skills needed to understand complex data that are generated in the real world. We will emphasize capacity building over content that will help learners to think independently and critically. In this course, we will cover what is alive, the process of science, building blocks of biology, basics of cell biology, molecular biology, genetics and its applications, evolution, ecology and diversity, ecological interactions, public health, environmental issues, and biology, society, and the environment. We will focus on capacity building in this course, and by the end, you will be able to develop 5 key capacities. These are the art of reading and interpreting. You will learn to explore various kinds of texts from scientific articles to popular science writing and learn how to search and cite texts. Understanding of scientific processes. You will be able to ask questions in basic and applied biology. You will learn how these questions are addressed using hypothesis-driven methodologies as well as exploratory studies. Scientific tools. You will learn about the tools and techniques that biologists use to answer various scientific questions. Quantitative skills. You will learn to analyze and interpret quantitative information in the context of a biological problem. You will learn to interpret and plot data. You will understand the interactions and connections between science, society, and the environment. This course will be taught by the faculties of Azim Premji University, who have varied expertise in biology. It is designed for undergraduate students, learners interested in biology who seek a deeper understanding of the field, and educators who want to expand their teaching skills. There will be weekly assignments to help you track your progress in the course. If you are taking this course for academic credit, there will be a final exam. If this sounds interesting to you, join us in our journey to learn more about the natural world.